So today I don't know, what to do. I just recorded for no reason. Oh no, this is loud room. This is the loud room. Just guys, stay here 1 second. I'm coming back 1 second. Hi guys, I'm sharpening some pencils because I need to and stuff. I'm just that's good or not. So I'm sharpening some pencils. I didn't need to. But this one won't sharpen. I don't think this one's good. It's getting good. Looks like it's getting good. It's a mess. I'm coming, guys. I'm coming. I'm seeing if it's baked or not. I'm sorry about that. But I broke it. I broke it. The pencil. Sharpening. Okay, so what are you gonna do today? Guess what is in here, guys? Comment like now, and if you didn't guess it, and it's okay, it's fine. And look what we have, emoji. I need to clean this thing. I'm coming back over it again. I don't know why I have to come back again.
Oh, you don't have to clean it.
I have to. Oh.
We clean that thing
every single day.
Not every single day because we don't play with
Almost.
This is our thing. I'm still sharpening this pencil, but it's really bad because it's not really good at sharpening right now.
Look, the book is green.
Why does the pencil keep breaking?
Look, it's clean the mochi. Oh, I know.
Wipe it.
I have to.
Oh my goodness.
Let me use a towel instead of a tissue. I always put some lotion.
Are you kidding me? This pencil's the worst.
What pencil? Like a little bit short because I am short.
No, I'm shorter than anybody else.
Hey, my sister.
Am I glass?
Yeah. Hey, don't talk about that.
I'm just kidding. I'm not the shortest.
Remember that our channel got deleted, guys?
Yeah, we didn't tell them yet.
Yeah, because we didn't have enough time to tell them.
And we didn't want to tell you guys. But it's okay, guys. They're okay.
All your subscribers from our channel back, please subscribe again.
Yeah,
I'm sorry that you have to do this again.
Just please subscribe to us.
Yeah.
We made some slime, guys, but then it dried out.
How you want to make new slime?
Yeah, I'll make it.
Now?
What now? What do you have? There's some popsicle sticks to mix our slime.
No, I'm gonna have to go use it.
What?
Look at this clean emoji. Oh no, my hair is literally slippery. Yeah. I'm gonna edit this video today also. I'm not making it short today.
You don't have to say that, but okay.
So we built them a room. Wait, Mochi had to stay here for 1 billion years. Just kidding. Here is a set. This is Happy Birthday, Difa. And this is her bed, the food, the shower, the heart, and the lights. It's right there. I'll show you again. This. The bed, the food, the shower, the heart, and this is the heart, and this is the light switch. Yeah. I just do shower, I think I did, but I'm not going to show you again. Okay, the mochi, it's gonna go right in the bed. See how sticky it is? It sticks like every day almost. Yeah. I don't know what to do. Yeah.
You could show you some of your drawings you made.
Oh yeah. And my folder?
Yeah, that's in your folder.
Should I show my folder? So this is my folder, guys. That's my art folder. Yeah, it's just like cool. See it's from marker. I wiped it because it was so ooky gooky. Okay, first
Where? Oh, there.
That's Habiba. Okay.
Sorry, just finding some my Sharpies.
Oh my god, my folder's a mess. I'll clean that later. First we had this rainbow. This is when I was like little bit.
Oh, she looks like so little.
I was like 6 years old when I made this, or 5. I don't remember.
Yeah.
It is cute. It's kind of bad, but it's okay. Yeah. I'm gonna rate these things. So I rate this like 8 out of 10. I don't really like it. I go right there. There. Yeah. Oh no. I made this and I tried to make it realistic. It was when I was 7, but a little bit more older.
It smells bad though. Like
And
using
okay, I was not. Okay, shush. I was not older. I was a little bit small at the time, and I tried to make it realistic. See, doesn't it? I rate this as a 6 out of 10.
Yeah, she liked it before.
Mm-hmm.
Don't have to tell you what the age is for these, right?
I love this one. This one, I love this. When I was like going to bed, it's like pajama. This, let me write. Can you give me a pencil?
I mean, I don't have one. I have this. You could use this. It's my eraser from there.
Yeah. Let me write pajama day. Don't tell me I don't even know how to spell pajamas. It's pajama. Pajamas. I don't even know how to spell pajamas. Right there. I'm going to clean my folder today. I love it. This one is my best one. It's called a Sleeping Girl, and I tried hard, and I accidentally ripped it. I know you see this ugly back. I made a mistake. That one. This one. I love this one. I made an oopsie right there. And it's so cute, isn't it? I put some lemons, narwhal, a bow. I don't know why I put a bow in the sleeping days. And it's called Sleeping Girl. Okay. I love that one. It's my top favorite. I made this. I tried it to make hearts with 3 crayons like this, by not making a mistake. Yeah. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. I use unicorn colors like as always. I also like this one. It's from. I outlined it, but I made a mistake when making A, but I fixed it making a I. Here, it's like a rainbow girl.
I'm mixing my slime, guys.
It's kind of different colors. What is that? Here. That's an oopsie. That was A.
I don't know if I need more colors for this.
This is pretty. I love this. I mean, it's fine. You don't even need to ask.
Yeah, I think you know, guys.
Yeah.
But some of you might not know.
Look at this. You heard about this. You know what this. It's like a snowflake stare. Look at this.
That is broken. We have.
Yeah. Okay, don't hear. I guess this too small. Big, small, big, small, big, small, big, small. I love that one. It's pretty.
Want to make a part 2?
Maybe. I don't know.
So part 2, guys.
Alright, Bob's coming.
Have to get in the water.
Don't care.
Yeah.
I'm
So I'm still making our slime, guys. I think I need
My
more
mom
pictures.
drew this. My mom gave it to me. Yeah. That goes here. I like it. It's her time. Wait, so look it. I got out. Let me just put this one right here. I'm making a video.
Video editor.
Don't say any. Don't even say any word.
Okay, she just saying nothing. She just had to be quiet.
Okay. This is a plain white paper. I don't know why I have it.
Oh yeah. So that's it.
And I have this girl second girl, I draw kind of good. It's a bunny pencil. Boom.
Okay.
I lost the pencil of
Give
it.
me the cartoon instead.
Why?
This is just gonna be too long. And
I don't know why my sister gave this. Okay, I'm gonna edit this video and bye. I'm making part 2. Bye.